Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're showing you and seeing if it's worth the price in buying a brand new starter or going with the rebuilt, remanufactured unit. And the difference is between the two. A remanufactured unit, they're going to take and clean the housing all up, replace any worn out brushes in the solenoid itself. And here's the solenoid assembly right here on top. And this is a high torque starter. This is on a 5.7 Hemi. There's where your ignition wire hooks in right here. And here's where your battery cable connects right here on the side. And it screws down with a nut. And it's held in with a clip. Listen, this is a remanufactured unit. It's all dirty. But that's what they do on a reman. And then on a brand new one, where they replace every component. Everything except for the case is brand new. And we'll go ahead and set this one. So everything on this starter, except for the case itself, is brand new. From the bolts, to the rubber, to the internal bushings and windings, every bit of it is brand new. So is it worth spending the extra money and getting a brand new one? Well, that's up to you guys. But ultimately, I guess for that peace of mind, you're buying something that is completely brand new. However, this is 2021, so that doesn't necessarily mean just because it's brand new that it's good. It could be bad. But that's the difference between a remanufactured starter and a brand new starter. And hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, smash that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.